2014 Ford Focus SE, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, black metallic and pink color, good tires, nice clean vehicle, rear spoiler, SFE model, super fuel efficient. $55,000 miles. It's got factory powertrain warranty left. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, gray cloth interior, tilt and telescoping steering wheel with stereo controls, cruise control, hands-free, Microsoft Sync Bluetooth. You got automatic headlights, CD player, heat and air conditioning, side impact, side curtain airbags, back seat fold down, nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy and money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.